Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Avalanche, basically AVAX, from Binance to your core wallet. Once you launch Binance, I want you to come to the bottom right, click on Wallet, and you'll see all your cryptos. So you'll see AVAX here, Avalanche, basically you can tap on that. And then what I want you to do is come here, click on Transfer. Okay, you can click on Withdraw as well. And then you just choose send via crypto network, okay? And you'll need to basically paste in your wallet address, your core wallet, and the network will be automatically matched. You just enter the withdrawal amount. You can choose your max. It will basically send all of the AVX crypto that you have, and then you click on withdraw. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.